Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day in this one. Big volume, big price movement, but unfortunately, it's looking like this thing was just a big old gap and trap here, and maybe more accurately, just a pump and dump. Now, when I say pump and dump, I don't mean the company itself is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying that strictly from how the price acted today. So yeah, price action wise, just a really nasty move. Let's just establish a few things here. So basically, the breakout move started right down here when it broke out of that 27.5 cent mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see this area right there was presenting a problem. So in technical jargon, that was the resistance level. And right there, you can see that level of resistance was broken. And to be fair, after that level was broken, I mean, it just skyrocketed to the upside. So there we go. And that's really the first part of kind of a pump and dump, is that the price did make a fantastic move. And then the second part of a pump and dump is just the context part. The context being all this should happen in a relatively small amount of time. And given this all happened in the exact same day, hopefully we can agree, yeah, this certainly happened in a small amount of time. And then the next part is, well, what actually happened from the big explosion? Well, yeah, the price got all the way up there, but by the time the closing bell came, it went all the way back down to that breakout point. In other words, the price went literally right back to where it was, and that's not the sign of any sort of true power, genuine strength at all. Now, to be fair, and this will mean a little bit more to those that have traded for a while, a lot of these types of price movements can produce some very nice bounces, big movement upwards, overreaction to the downside, and then there can be some nice bounces. So from that angle of things, let me just get that out of here. Let's talk about a couple areas of resistance just in case there is any sort of attempted, movements back to the upside. First key area of resistance on any sort of upside movement, going to be right there at 29 cents. And then next key level after that, up there right around 31 cents. But yeah, no doubt about it. Chart's looking very sketchy right now, but we'll see if maybe there can be some sort of upward snapback on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.